Hello everyone, welcome to your class कर्तव्यति क्लासेस. I am your teacher रिचा शर्मा. चलो आज हम लोग जर्मिनेशन इन प्लांट पढ़ते हैं. बहुत हो गया रिप्रोडक्शन स्टेम. You can go and you can check my video. You will get there. So today we will read germination. What is germination? सबसे पहले germination होता किसका है? Seed will finally germinate into a plant. Okay? For that seed has to be dried completely. पूरी की पूरी तरह से जो seed dry रहेगा वही germinate होगा हमारा प्लांट में. और ये भी जरूरी नहीं है कि जितना सीड हम ले सबके सब जर्मिनेट हो जाएंगे. नो, ऑल सीड कांट टर्न इनटू अ प्लांट. ओके, वीडियो लंबा हो जाएगा. So for that I will in short I will tell you what is germination. लंबा हो जाएगा but please try to see the video till end so that all your doubt will get clear. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe because you will get all the videos in upcoming days. So what is germination? The process by which a seed grows into a plant is called germination. The process by which seed grows into a plant is called germination. एक तो ये हो गया. अगर इसे और अच्छे से समझना है तो हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Germination is a process. Germination, देखो ध्यान से सुनो. Germination is a process by which a baby plant or seedling or is the germination is the process by which a baby plant or seedling turns into a plant in presence of air, water and sunlight. Okay? So, एक तो आप बोल सकते हो germination is the process by which seeds turns into a plant. और precisely अगर आपको बोलना है तो you can write germination is a process by which seedling turns into a plant in presence of air, water and sunlight. Okay, इतना हो गया. Now what is the condition? What are the requirement for germination? Seed तो requirement है ही और soil. उसके अलावा there are three requirement: air, water and sunlight. Air gives oxygen, water also gives oxygen and minerals and sunlight gives warmth. उसको heat देगा. These are the three conditions for germination of seed in plant. अब germination होगा कैसे? Seed है, soak करेंगे, seed coat will get soft. Seed को soft करेंगे, then seed coat soft हो जाएगा, it will break. Then inside there will be seed leaf called cotyledons and attached to that there will be a baby plant that is embryo. Okay, that baby plant is embryo. अब cotyledon can be dicot, monocot. It provides only nutrition. But the baby plant, embryo here, they will turn into baby root and baby shoot. First baby root will grow and baby root will grow and go downward, turns into radicle, finally root system. Then baby shoot will develop, turns into plumule, finally shoot system. तो कैसे हो जाएगा? Seed, okay, seed to baby root to baby shoot. After that leaves and then fully formed plant. So this is how plant will germinate. और ये सबसे पहले मैं फिर बता देती हूँ. Seed रहेगा, सीड सोक करेंगे, वो ब्रेक हो जाएगा. ओके, मिट्टी में डालेंगे. सीड विल हैव एम्ब्रियो. दैट एम्ब्रियो विल फर्स्ट गिव अस बेबी रूट. दैट विल कॉल्ड रेडिकल, गिव्स रूट सिस्टम. सेकेंड प्लूमुल, बेबी शूट. दैट विल डेवलप इनटू shoots. After baby shoot, which will turn into plumule, small leaves will come. Okay, and that after that leaves will grow, it will start doing photosynthesis and it will turn into a fully developed plant. This is how germination occurs. Now I don't think if you have any doubt. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section given below. Till then I will be with you in my next video. Bye bye, take care, Jai Hind.